Welcome to this online course, Yoni Mapping and Discovering Your Partner's Pleasure Pathways. I've been a trained therapist in the world of sexual trauma for the last almost a decade now. And it's been a beautiful journey of seeing women come to me with the most horrific cases of rape, sexual trauma, and just by having my 4-stage package in what I do and how I serve humanity with my Yoni massages, they're able to let go of a lifetime of trauma very easily and very quickly using the shaft method. This is something that I've created and I really want to share this with you. Now, this could be a form of healing, a form of therapy, but also when you let go of all of that, which you will eventually, you'll find pleasure. Every woman wants to become multi-orgasmic, and you can. So the problem I'm solving with my online course is the lack of pleasure and orgasms and desensitization that women are feeling whilst having sex. We have more and more unsatisfied couples in the world. We have higher divorce rates than ever. And it all boils down to the lack of satisfaction, fulfillment and pleasure when making love. I've been working with clients for almost a decade now, and it's the same complaint over and over again. And guess who divorces a partner first? It's the women. Do you know why? It's because they're getting the same thing over and over and over again. So I've broken this down in a very simple, easy, digestible course so you men and women can start speaking the same language. So we'll be starting off with creating a container, boundaries and consent. Boundaries and consent is such a huge thing that I've actually created an online course called Boundaries and Consent. So you need to watch that course in order for you to move forward and go deeper into this course. There's a whole section about how so much trauma is caused because men and women don't know how to say yes or say no. They don't know how to drop into their body, drop into their heart, feel the different energy centers and come back with an answer which is either a full yes or a no. And remember, no is a sentence. And then we'll go into the deeper practices of the Yoni mapping session. We have many things and it's all linked, all in the description, so you could go bit by bit, read it, understand it, but by the time we get to it, it's going to make sense.